Hey, here is some great news for Linux enthusiasts. We have an MTP coming up on Advanced System Administration and Containerization using ChatGPT, which will help you upskill for career growth. Listen to what our instructor says about why these are vital skills.
Hi friends, I am St. John Providence, your instructor for this MTP, which will help you to enhance your existing skills and gain new ones. Containerization. Yes, containerization has become crucial to DevOps and digital transformation as it helps the industry to improve its productivity by optimizing for faster deployments and rapid portability. In today's IT industry, where versatility is key to survival, learning a vital skill like containerization is going to open up a new window of possibilities. See you there.
Quickly register on the link below to join us for the MTP.